Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make little bales, really, for each side of the sea glass, um, in order to link them together. So rather than just using these large jump rings, it looks much prettier. So you're going to need the wire cutters, flat nose pliers, and round nose pliers. And I already cut, um, I don't know, about an inch and a half. You're going to use a lot less, but about an inch and a half. And you're going to pinch the wire wherever you, however big you want that hole to be. And you're just going to pinch it and roll it, creating what's known as like an eye pin. Okay, and then you're going to repinch it and bend it back just a bit to give it that little bend in there. And you're going to slip the tail through the hole, leave a little bit of space there for when you bend it up. So you're bending it up. You need to leave a little space there because you're going to wrap it around. Okay, so then you're going to take that tail and you're going to wrap it around the base once or twice. That's up to you. Make sure you're holding it really snugly at the base. And then you're going to take your wire cutters like so and just snip off that extra. And after you snip it, you've got to take your flat nose and just kind of press in that sharp little area so it doesn't cut you. Okay, so you can link those together. That would be very pretty. Or you can make little spacers or create other little beads or whatnot to put in between the sea glass just to make it a little different. So I did a few different ones, different colored beads, etc. And here's one of the styles I ended up making. I think that's really pretty. And here is the finished product. You just link them all together. So pretty. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.